How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. We have a couple big pieces of news to cover and a couple things that could affect you within the next hour. Maybe even it's already happened. So I want to talk to you about that, give you a little bit of a heads up, talk about some of the top news, and keep it in a very short format so you guys get the most important information in a quick period of time. Now, I do have a really important video coming later today that I think will affect a lot of different investors, and it's some stuff that you need to know about from one of the most well-known crypto projects out there. So if you guys don't mind, hitting the like button and subscribe button so that you get that video. Also, there's a link underneath the video to Unstoppable Domains where you can get a readable wallet address starting at $5. I definitely suggest checking out that link. Also, one down there to BlockFi. You can get up to $250 worth of bonus when you sign up using the link underneath the video. Now, the cryptocurrency market is pretty much sideways for the day, right? We're not really doing too much. Some altcoins are bleeding a little bit, but overall, we haven't seen too much movement. Now, we do have a couple big pieces of news that have come just today. First of all, senators look to lock down Russia's gold reserves. So this is part of their continuing sanctions. So this would apply secondary sanctions to any American entities knowingly transacting with or transporting gold for Russia's central bank holdings or selling gold physically or electronically in Russia. So this is just going to put even more of a stranglehold because a lot of the money or a lot of the reserves in Russia right now are gold reserves. So some senators are trying to pass this to make sure that they have even less liquidity. Now, there was some news too that comes up in the next hour from the time of this recording. US President Joe Biden is expected today to ban Russian oil, natural gas, and coal imports to the US, according to 3 different sources. The US will make the move unilaterally without European allies due to disagreement among European nations about whether to ban Russian energy. Now, this is supposedly going to happen at 10:45 Eastern time. It's very soon. So this is only a small part of our oil that we get, but when you compare it to some of the other countries, like let's say Germany is really against it. You can see Russian gas accounts for 14%. So this really gets back to the fact that we all need our own energy output and our own energy reserves. So that way things like this don't happen. It doesn't change our moral compass just because we have to get gas somewhere else. So this is going to be interesting. If this happens, could cause some shakiness in the market, whether it's crypto, stocks, pretty much everything. I think we'll see some kind of volatility when this happens. There's also going to be a Biden signing the cryptocurrency executive order this week. Now, some people are worried about this. I think that this is actually going to be good. I think this is going to be good for cryptocurrencies over the long term because right now, it's just not really clear what is allowed and what's not allowed. Right now, there's just a lot of uncertainty and there are companies getting huge fines. And I think this will hopefully clear some things up. Now, this is just him saying, hey, we need to form some kind of game plan. It will still take 6 months to 18 months to actually get that game plan in place. So I think this is not going to be that big a deal after it actually happens. Now, we still have CPI data coming later this week. We should expect somewhere around a 7.9% reading for the last year. And then we have one more month that increases and then we start declining, supposedly. But when we start banning oil, that will probably increase our CPI readings. So let me know your thoughts on all this underneath the video. Again, I have another really important video probably coming later today. So hit subscribe if you want to see that video. Turn the bell notification so you know right when I post it because it is kind of scandalous. If you guys don't mind checking out the links underneath the video too to BlockFi and Unstoppable Domains, I think they are great companies and I will continue to use them like I already do. And I will see you guys in the next video.